By the special grace of God, I bring you wealth. I repeat myself, I bring you wealth. Kingdom of wealth I bring to your table as you hear the sound of my voice through the help of the Holy Spirit. I want to let you know that the Bible says, he that know what to do, how to do good that refuse to do is a sin unto him or her. And this year, it's my desire that as you hear the sound of my voice, a time will come that when you need 50,000 euros, you will not have headache bringing it out from your pocket. A time will come that when you need 50,000 euros, you will say, okay, I got 35, I got 40, I got 25. Okay, I need to just work out a little time, round up things or look one or two places around and get it completed. But not that you will say, how on earth can I get this? I don't want you to continue. I want to let you know that we Christian believer, if we want to be sincere with ourselves, we are financially strongly like our heaven. Our heavenly journey is short, but financially, it's like we are going through hell here on earth in the area of finances. So I will a little bit be discussing from the realm of the spirit for you to catch what I'm bringing on. Majority of believers have come across opportunity once or twice. You didn't recognize it. It's not your fault. Majority, your pastor has made you to understand that all you need is heaven. Any good life here, you do not deserve it. It's not your fault either. Majority of us feel that, okay, even if I suffer here on earth, provided my heaven is sure, I am good to go. It is not your fault either. Do you know what is behind all this? Your ancestral powers, your foundation. Because you and I know as a believer that the poor man make heaven and our big daddy Abraham also made heaven. Me and you know that, yes, that the rich man, the Bible says it is difficult for them to make heaven. Not because of the money, because of their upset, because of their heart. So as you hear the sound of my voice, I want to equip to your heart from a bit from the realm of the spirit so that you will catch my message. So you know that, oh, you are being in the dark, so light has come now. Praise Master Jesus. Now, in the beginning of the year, I want you to put in work. And what? No matter how little you are earning, at the end of this year, you will look back and you will be contented with the journey you have started. So, I don't want it to be too long. Before I will take my time to dish out this beautiful message, this video, how far it goes, will also help me. So, I want to introduce you to how to turn your little cover into something great. Out of almost having nothing, to be free financially, to look back and say, to be happy with yourself, because there is tranquility that just comes when you know that something is resting, something is growing in one corner without you. Like you are waking up and your money is like, there's satisfaction, there's kind of tranquility you get. Now, do you know that inflation is one of the greatest things and is killing you financially?